Okay, so the purposes of this video is actually to show you how to navigate AP Solutions using your mobile device, whether it be an Android or iPhone or some type of tablet. So similar to how you would access with the desktop version of AP, same thing with your phone. You're just going to go to your browser. There's not an app for AP Solutions. Right now, it's actually just a mobile-friendly site. So when you pull it up, it's going to look very similar. You're going to have a username that you're going to enter. You'll have your password. And then your organization ID, which is Sherman. And you'll click Login. Now, if it's the first time you're accessing AP Solutions via your mobile device, there will be a series of security codes that have to be sent. It'll ask you to actually email the code to your Sherman account or the account that you provide, and then it will then ask you to enter that code into a separate window on your mobile device. But it's fairly user-friendly, and it walks you through step by step, so there shouldn't be any issues there. So once you have done that, you will then come to this window, and the security measure will be only on your initial login to a particular device. After that, you're good to go. So when you first come in, you actually come to the main window here. The box that you want to click on is Manage Transactions. At this point, you've already made a purchase. Now you're going into AP Solutions to upload your GL information, your general ledger, and your department code, as well as your receipt. So when you bring this page up, this is going to show you at the very top the billing cycle. Now this is going to always be current when you first bring it up, but if you had to, for some reason, go back to an old billing cycle to pull up some information or to look at some old transactions, you could do that here. But for this purpose, we're going to stay in the current. So after you have that information correct, you scroll down to the bottom, hit search. And because I have administrative rights, it's actually going to show me all of the transactions that are out there. But for you, it's only going to show your particular transactions. So then you want to scroll down and just see what's available. We've got a few different transactions here. One of which, the very top here, what I can see is one that Patrick made a purchase at Costco. He's gone in, he's entered in his general ledger code here. He's also entered in a department code. We want to find a transaction that has not had any upload information on it. And the one that we have available is actually one that Emily made a purchase at Chick-fil-A. And you can see here at the very top of the transaction, it has action codes. You'll see the icons there. And then as you scroll down, you'll see the information, the post, transaction, person's name, the merchant, the amount. So the first thing you want to do is come in and you want to choose the general ledger code. This is going to be whether it's posting or printing or professional development or travel, whatever it's going to be. You enter it here. You can enter the code in, or you can look it up through the search icon there, the magnifying glass. Same thing with the department. You enter in the department number, or you can search for it. You can also enter any kind of notes that you need, or you want the business office to be able to see, or you just need them for your purposes. But once you've done that, you actually, to go and enter a receipt, to upload a receipt, you want to go to the top where the actions are. You want to click on the icon that looks like a piece of paper with a pencil writing on it. Once you do that, it will bring up transaction detail. Now in this case, we've already uploaded a receipt just for testing purposes, but most of the time, if nothing has been uploaded, only box you're going to see here along with the transaction detail is upload receipt. So in that case, you click on upload receipt. In this instance, you want to choose the file which to upload. Now if you've already taken a picture of the file, you can go to documents and search for that in your gallery and then upload it there. But if you have the receipt available, the good thing about this is that you can actually snap a picture by clicking on camera Snap your photo. It's going to ask you to retry OK. Obviously not a Chick-fil-A receipt, but we'll go with it. At that point, it shows you what file you're getting ready to upload. And then you just click on Upload Receipt. It's going to give you a green box telling you that it's successfully uploaded. At that point, you can close. You can go back and you can view receipt if you need to. But at that point, you're done with this particular transaction, other than going through the last step, which would be to add any notes or to click Save. Once that's done, the green box will come up and will say Information Saved. That'll let you know that it has been saved. And if you need to go back to any other transactions, if you got more in pending that you need to enter information for, it's a little different navigation than the main screen. You go up to the menu, the 3 lines at the top, click on Transaction Maintenance, this is the last drop down, and then you want to click on Transaction Management. Then that will take you back to this main screen where you will then go through the process of searching and get back to the menu that you need to see your additional transactions. But at that point, you're done. If you are complete, you don't have any more transactions, you can go up to the top left, and then you can log out.